Welcome back to the Pterodactyl Desert 5. VA87's coming with a clear signal in Stratford. So everything's just on the main today.
Via number 87, clear signal van Stratford West 2. Sur la voie numéro 1. Merci.
And I don't know if I'll be able to get over to the crossing or not. I do have there's a rail fan on board that I'll probably be seeing. He's in the third coach back from 911, which I assume is 4102. Like 568 with 4102. Yeah. But it's coach 4102, not engine 4102. Because 568 did have 4102 today. If you want to check out those two videos I posted, dude, please do. And there's no Hayden tonight, so everyone's pretty much here except Hayden.
Yeah.
Because we got Chris and Vince, but not Hayden. And then should have Hank and Sandy tomorrow morning again. I will be here tomorrow morning for that lovely Horna 900. I don't know about and then I don't know about any freights tomorrow because they might be going to Guelph, but we'll have to see what happens. No change according to that rail fan, so it's still 911 and 900.
Yeah, so tomorrow's our Thanksgiving.
Yeah. They're just slowly but surely coming.
Yep, it's coming.
Slowly but surely.
Yep. You gotta give him a push.
He's about to round the curve. I don't know about getting up to the front in time, but we'll see. There are a couple passengers wanting to board, so I mean, might have some time. We'll see. We will see what happens. 911.
SM87, head at 87, you'll be okay for doors. Right hand side, full stop in Stratford. Your right side for Stratford 87, hit him up.
Still 911, 900. There's a bird over there. He was on the main, but I wonder what he's gonna do. He's like, what is that coming? We know what Samuel's response would be, even though he's not here. But I don't think a bird's gonna be as. I don't think a bird's gonna be as. Oh, he's moving. Okay. Oh, yeah, he got out the way. Hello? Just like to be able to use that rail fan, he's on the third car back. Wait. I got a bit more room. Alright, perfect. I will pause now. Oh, no, away they go. They just said it to me on the radio, even though my scanner doesn't transmit, but I will be put.
87, doors closed, secure.
This is for the engineer's family. Away they go.
Doors closed, secured 87.
This is for the engineer's.
You're working behind 3 at St. Mary's? That's right.
And this is also for the rail fan on board too.
Rotation 8. 1 crossing activated.
But I will tell you, folks, it will be ready before you get to Sarnia, that's for sure. It will be ready before you get to Sarnia. I take before they get to Sarnia. Find that rail fan. He's on ways. He's probably on the second or third coach back. There he is. .4102, like CN 4102. And we'll have more K5LA tomorrow morning. Thank y'all for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, hit that bell. See you all in the next one.
Rotation 8861, crossing deactivated.